Sino ba naman makakalimot sa iconic scene na to?
Gusto kita. Mahal kita. Yun yung punto nung huling tula.
Did you know na merong libro ang Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella? Ito ay sinulat ni Jason Paul Lacsamana at pinagbibidahan ni Bella Padilla at JC Santos. It is the box office movie at the pista ng pelikulang Pilipino noong 2017. So this is the movie cover. Pero bago nagkaroon ng movie cover, of course, meron tong original cover. So yun ang binili ko ngayon. Let's unbox this non-movie cover of Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella. So I bought from... I am cute. I bought this from a marketplace. And this came from Beverly. And second hand ko na siya nakuha. Which is, I think, okay naman na rin as a second hand kasi nga, wala nang copies na ito ngayon. Hindi na po nagpo-produce ng Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella, so wala na kayong mabibili. I'm not sure if meron pang available to market, but that's the reason why I bought a second hand version of this book. Ito na yung old version ng Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella. As you can see, this is the cover of the first version, and this is the movie cover. This is the side-by-side. Parehas silang matte yung cover, and then ito naman yung spine. Same na same lang sila when it comes to the spine. Sa back, well, parehas na parehas lang din sila pagdating sa back. Pagdating sa paper type, it's also the same kasi parehas cream paper ang ginamit dito. But what really bugged me to purchase itong old version is ito. Ito ay merong signature ng author mismo. Ikaw, nagustuhan mo ba ang Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella?